There's a wild video inside an American Airlines jet while it was on the ground in Tampa on Tuesday. Passengers say that the man in the blue striped shirt called the flight attendant an anti-Semitic slur. The argument escalated when other passengers got involved. The man was eventually put in a headlock. The man was then taken off the plane and charged with disorderly conduct. Meanwhile, there are new problems plaguing Boeing this morning. So-called braking anomaly is now under investigation as airline executives demand a meeting with the company's board of directors. ABC's Rhiannon Alley has that story.
This morning, safety standards at Boeing once again under scrutiny after investigators say the brakes failed on an American Airlines flight in Dallas.
There have been some problems down at Boeing with its manufacturing process.
The pilots realized they had no brakes after landing, forcing them to use thrust reversers to slow down, causing the Boeing 737 to roll off the runway.
They ran off into this engineered material. It slowed them down to a stop without anybody being hurt.
Investigators say the plane's brakes were replaced 4 days earlier. They say these images show how a maintenance worker apparently swapped the electric lines and hydraulic lines.
Normally, when you have an airplane that comes out of maintenance, you want to be extra careful, and that's why we run a lot of checklists, and the maintenance folks run a lot of checklists. But these are human beings, and somebody got something wrong here.
It's the latest in a string of incidents involving Boeing planes. In January, a Boeing 737 MAX 9 jet lost a door panel in mid-flight due to 4 missing bolts, prompting the FAA to ground that model for weeks. During that time, Alaska and United found loose bolts on grounded planes, and a supplier found misdrilled holes in window frames. Just this month, an external panel fell off this United jet. And a 777 lost a wheel during takeoff in San Francisco, crushing several cars below. Now, top airline executives are reportedly demanding a meeting with Boeing's board of directors.
They're actually going over the CEO's head. And that suggests that they want to talk about the strategy of the company, the long-term direction of it.
On a recent earnings call with investors, CEO David Calhoun addressed the safety concerns.
We simply must be better. Our customers deserve better.
Rhiannon Alley, ABC News, New York.
The Associated Press is reporting airline executives could meet as soon as next week with Boeing's board of directors.